Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the IOMMU is disabled error in FACEIT Anti-Cheat. This issue is usually related to BIOS and Windows security settings, but don't worry, it's easy to fix if you follow these steps carefully. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Now select Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will restart and take you to a blue recovery screen. On this screen, click Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options. Now click UEFI Firmware Settings. Press Restart again. Your computer will now boot directly into the BIOS/UEFI settings. Once you're inside the BIOS, the layout may look different depending on your motherboard, but the options are usually under Advanced, Advanced BIOS, or Security. Look for an option called IOMMU. Set IOMMU to Enabled. Next, locate TPM 2.0 or FTPM/PTT. Make sure TPM 2.0 is also enabled. Both IOMMU and TPM 2.0 must be enabled for FACEIT Anti-Cheat to work correctly. After enabling both options, choose Save and Exit. Confirm the changes and let your PC boot back into Windows. Once Windows loads, open FACEIT Anti-Cheat again. The IOMMU is disabled error should now be gone, and FACEIT AC should start normally. And that's it. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.